Meet Teodor, your brand new personal doorman. Teodor is a smart lock, the most advanced way to enter your home. Imagine all the times you had trouble finding the key to your door. With Teodor, the door unlocks itself, swift and simple. Our app offers you more than locking and unlocking a door. You can limit user access to a specific timeline, keep an activity log, and other features that come in handy. Teodor can tell you about any uninvited guests who might have entered your home. You are simply notified and can then take appropriate action. Teodor instantly falls in love with any door. It's compact, adaptive, and designed to be universal.